Hi guys! What's up? It's your girl Brianna. You might be wondering why I'm standing right here. Standing for the whole video, you might ask? If you didn't already read the title, yes, today I'm going to be doing my summer 2018. This is a try-on video, so just be prepared. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be showing you guys the bikinis, but then I'm also going to have like a clip of me trying it on with my voice in the background, so hopefully my editing skills are good enough to do that. I know some of you guys might want to know where I got this lovely outfit from, and I got it from Shein.com. Also, a bunch of the bathing suits that I have that I'm going to be showing you guys today are from Shein. No, I am not sponsored. Just want to clarify that. Why would I be sponsored? I don't want this video to be really long, so let's just hop right in to the video. But before we go ahead and start this video, I want every single one of you guys to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. So the first bikini I have is from Shein. So this is the top. Insert clip now. The first swimsuit is just this pink and white striped bikini. It has a little tie in the front, and that's actually what ties it to make it tight. I don't know what I'm trying to say. And then the bottoms are just a big thong. You gotta love a nice thong bikini, you feel me? So that's the first bikini. The second bikini is also from Shein.com. It's just a nice checkered print, and it has a nice cup to fit your boobs. And then the bottoms are just a thong. Yeah. My next bikini that I have to show for you guys is actually very similar. It's a blue bikini. You couldn't already tell, and it looks just like the last one because it has like the same shape and everything. It's just blue, and then the thong bottoms are the same. It's a nice thong bikini. And this one actually looks really good on my skin tone, so yeah. My next bikini is probably my favorite one out of all. It's this nice yellow bandeau top, and it has these detachable straps, so like you can make it just like a regular strapless bikini top, or you can like have it where it just goes like this. And I actually like it with the straps. It holds my boobs up better. And then the bottom isn't a thong. Shocker, right? I know. And then yeah, they're just basic yellow bottoms. They're a little cheeky, but they're not like a full-on thong, you feel me? But I like this bikini. This is like my favorite bikini out of all the ones I'm showing you guys today. Next bikini is a nice just red basic ass bikini. This one I had to order in a large, and it doesn't really fit me that well. Yes, this just crosses in the back. I have to like tie it weird, so you guys are gonna see that. But it still looks cute. It's just a basic bikini, you know, just goes like over the shoulders, straps in the back. But I had to tie mine, that's why it looks ratchet. And then the bottoms are also just a basic thong. This one might be a little nudity, so I don't even know if I'm going to be able to show this all the way, but you guys will see it right now. It's a one-piece bikini. I got this from romwe.com. This is just one revealing bathing suit. This is the back. I probably won't try this. Well, I'll try this on, but you guys probably, I'm not going to turn around. Like, this is so much porn. If you guys want to see what this looks like on me from the back, I have it on my Instagram, because I have like pictures of this, of me wearing this at the beach. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Big Booty. I'll have it in the links below. It's always in the links below. All my social media is actually in the links below, always. The next bikini that I have is just this marble print. It's just a basic ass triangle bikini.
What is going on? Wait, does this cross in the back? Oh, it crosses in the back. I actually haven't even put this one on.
But it does cross in the back and just straps. You guys will see it better than I'm showing you. You guys are probably already seeing it. Yeah, it's just triangle bikini. And the bottoms, yeah, they're just basic bottoms. They have the little stripes on the sides, and then I don't think, yeah, this isn't a thong. It's kind of cheeky though. So, alright, for the next bikini I also got from Walmart. It's the same basic top that has the tie in the front and the back is the same. It's just a nice colorful one. I really love this bikini. It's so cute. From Walmart especially, like, go Walmart. Go Walmart. Props to you, Walmart. The next I have this bikini. It's also another white bottom, but it's like textured. You guys will see when I try it on. And then the top is just a basic like string bikini. Like, I also got this from Walmart for like $2. So like, bitch, your girl about to be slaying. And then also the same bikini that I got. I just got the bottoms in green because I wanted like a green bottom. And these ones are like super cute and they're like the same texture. Yep. When I try it on, I'll have the bottoms, hopefully. But this is the top. It's just, it comes off the shoulder. You guys can see I got this from Victoria's Secrets. And it's just like a bandeau and then it just goes on the arms. I personally find this pretty annoying. So I just kind of like leave it off or like tuck it in. So it's just like a regular bandeau top. And the bottoms are the same color, except they're high-waisted, so, and they also don't show any butt. I also have a picture of this on my Instagram. And then for the bikini that I don't have the top to, I think it's in my car, so I have to go get that. But these are the bottoms. They're just a flower design, you know. But it's a wetsuit material, and the top is just a basic triangle. You guys will see it. But my friend Kylie actually gave this to me, so props to her. She gave me a whole bikini because she ordered it in 2 different sizes, so she just gave me the other 2 sizes that she didn't need. So I found the top to this bikini, and I just wanted to say that it clips in the back, like that. And I really like it. It's really easy to maneuver, and it's so easy to get on and off. Now moving on to pieces that I don't have like a matching top or bottom to, they're just miscellaneous. And some of them do still have the tag on them. I have this bikini right here, and you guys are never going to guess where it's from. But isn't this so cute? I got this for so cheap. Just guess where I got this from. Like, comment right now in the comments. Where do you think I got this from? I got this from Walmart. Freaking Walmart. This bikini is so freaking cute, and it just ties right in the front. You don't have to worry about strapping nothing in the back. You can adjust the straps if you need to go tighter or looser to make it fit you the best it could. The next bikini that I have is also from Walmart. Walmart is getting trendy this year, I swear. I was going to wear this on 4th of July, but I ended up working and not doing a damn thing, which was kind of depressing, but yeah. It's just a red, white, and blue striped bikini. It's kind of like that pink and white striped one, but it just has the back to it. Then next I have these bottoms. They're just a basic white bottom. Haven't yet wore these. I just wanted a white bottom because my other ones got dirty, so your girl got a new white bottom. And then next I just have this top that I got from Target like a couple years ago, but I still wear it because it's so cute. It's like a basic cup, so like it holds your tits up, makes them look amazing. It has a bunch of like jewels on the top and then just a basic like pattern on the boob part. And the back is really cool. It's really like crossy and like all strappy. You can't really see how I'm holding it up, but you guys will see when I try it on. It's so cute. Then for my last bikini, I just have this. I think I might have had this in my last bikini haul. I don't know, I'm including it in this one too. It's a leopard print, you know, just string. I think I got this from, I got this from Target. This was one of my first bikinis. But I still wear this to this day because it fits me very, very nice. Makes my boobs look amazing, and it just has the basic strap in the back. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to my channel to see more videos like this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.